Ready? Start. The provision in this bill is that the President shall decide in consultation with the Chief Justice. Stop. The judge in the dispute between the executive and a judge will be the head of the state, will be the head of the executive, and the Chief Justice comes in as a consultant. Stop. Now this question of age is what we call a justiciable question. Stop. It is like the question of misbehavior or the question of incapacity of a judge. Stop. In other words, this is a question which will depend upon the determination of a dispute on an appraisement of evidence produced before the person deciding. Stop. Therefore, it is like a question of misbehavior or incapacity of a judge. Stop. Now, since the year 1700 in England, there have been three principles recognized which have not been departed from in any civilized country, and in particular in any democracy, and which assure the independence of the judiciary. And it is acknowledged on all hands that the independence of the judiciary is an essential condition of democracy. Stop. Now this has been incorporated in our consultation in Article 124, and if we bear in mind the constitutional history of the appointment. Over.